Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new wig video. So I have a new wig from Klaiyi, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the details and links listed there. So I have this gorgeous water wave pre-cut 6x4 and 3/4 inch lace wig. The hairline is already pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached. They went ahead and cut off the excess lace around the closure. And guess what? They even laid the baby hairs, y'all. They literally said, look, if y'all want a wear and go wig, we're going to give you one. We're going to give you one that requires absolutely no work whatsoever. Put it on and go in less than 1 minute. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received the wig and to kind of look at it to figure out what needs to be done. Now, other than the lace being white, in which I will apply a little bit of my foundation to, really no work needs to be done. Now, if you do have a little bit of frizz, or if you kind of have like a little bit of bulking in various areas like I do, you can go in and just lay the very top of the wig. I'm using my wax stick and a hot comb in order to get that nice and laid, and I'm going to spray a little bit of water and apply a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse on the curls to kind of get those nicely redefined, just because there was a little tiny bit of frizz, and frizz never hurt nobody. It all looks nice and natural at the end of the day. However, I just will apply a little bit of water just to get that nice and tamed. So this is the very next day. The hair is completely dry, super soft, no crunchy residue or anything like that on the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this elastic edge bands, and you guys, the edge is still edging, so I'm here for it. Now the lace is still white, so I'm just using a foundation. I tend to go for a foundation that's about 1 shade darker than my complexion, like my summer shade, and I apply that all over the lace. I also like to readjust the elastic band. This is what's going to give you a glueless install. No glues, no adhesives, no nothing like that is necessary if you use that. Now my hair isn't braided up. I just recently got a silk press, so I just have it in a super low ponytail. I'm going to go ahead and throw on my stocking cap, and let's go ahead and get the wig on. I'm going to let this part play in real time just to let you guys see how quickly this comes together. Now I am kind of fighting with my hair in the back because, you know, my hair is a little long, so I'm like tucking it inside of the wig in this part right here. But you guys see the wig is on. it's giving. It just came together immediately. I would say like in 3 seconds. Like this wig literally came together in 3 seconds. I didn't have to lay the baby hairs. I didn't have to do nothing, y'all. Absolutely nothing. It just came together. And y'all, I'm just like, geek right there. But so this is what the wig looks like. Y'all can just go ahead and play around with the baby hairs to kind of get those to look a little fluffy. If you need to apply more foundation to the lace, you can go ahead and do that. But you guys can see the wig is not glued down at all. It just comes on and comes right back on immediately. So therefore you are out the door. Now if you don't trust this, you can definitely glue it down, but you guys see I'm like literally yanking the wig. I'm shaking my head. It's not going nowhere. It's staying for good. It's like that, and it's not too tight enough to give you like a headache or anything like that. It's just perfect. It's super comfortable, super breathable. The hair is soft, y'all. Get this wig right here. But once again, this wig does come from Klaiyi. I will leave all the information, details, and links in the info section below. If you guys like this wig, be sure to use my discount code, which is MY20, to save 20% off of your purchases. Definitely let me know how you guys like this wig. I am loving it. It's super suitable for the summer. I thought that I was going to be super hot wearing this long hair, but because it has like that air wig cap, I'm definitely getting some airflow in between the tracks, especially being that my hair isn't braided. But if your hair is a lot shorter, you can definitely be able to breathe with this wig on. It won't be too hot and heavy or anything like that. But once again, you guys do check out Klaiyi. All the information will be left down below. If you guys are interested in anything that I use throughout this video, it'll be left below as well. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.